Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, in last session we have seen how we can edit a product. Okay, so we have seen guys there we have edited, and after that when we do the submit, then it product was updating. You can see guys. Okay, so last part is pending guys. That is delete. Okay, before this we have done guys total 4 part that you will get guys here. If you go in my YouTube channel, then here there is playlist guide. In that you need to check Node.js tutorial. Okay, here you will get all the parts guys. That is part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so in that you will learn all the things like how we can create a product, how we can edit a product, that you will learn guys, and how we can get the product. Okay, so today we'll see how we can delete a product. Okay, so for that what we need to do, just we will go in our code. So this is my front end code guys. So here it is, you can see guys, here it is delete function, right? So now you can see guys, when I click on delete, here nothing is happening, right? Because I have not added anything here, so I have to add that. So for that we'll write here. So here what we need to do is, here there is delete. Okay, so already delete is there, so here we are using button. We will not use link, we'll use button. Okay, so just take here button and just copy it and paste it here button. Okay, then later what we need to do is, just we need to remove this, and here we need to add one function. Okay, so I'll write that function what I'm going to add. So I'll write here on click. So for any function we will use this on click only. Okay, so this is my on click, and here my function will be there. Okay, so the function name I'll write like delete product. Okay, so this is my delete product. Okay, so we are deleting, so the delete product will come, and here my id will come, that we will take case. Okay, so before this, after this what we will write is, we need to write a function, right? Because when we add function, that time only it will work. So what I'll do is, here I will write a function. So just come here. So I'll take here like const, same we are going to use guys, that is delete a product. So here is my delete product, and here I'm passing id. Okay, so whatever id I'm passing from there, that id it will come here. And after this, right now what I will do guys, I will just alert one id. Okay, so whatever id is there of that product, that id we will show for right now. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is done guys, but here we need to pass id. So we have, here we have not added any id, right? So that we need to add. So for that what we need to do, just type here product, oh sorry, product dot, sorry, product dot id. Okay, so here I'm passing this id here, then I'm alerting here. Okay, so now we'll check guys for delete how it will work. Okay, so I'm here now. When I click on delete, you can see guys, I'm getting id. This id I'm getting because of this alert. Okay, so whatever the alert we have add for that. Then next what we will do guys, we'll write here no function. Okay, so for that I'll take here try and catch, because now we need to delete a product, right? So I'll take here try and catch. So I'll remove this alert for now, because I don't want right now that. Okay, then later here we need to call a exhaust method. So for that I'll take a wait exhaust, then dot delete. We are deleting, so here the delete will come. And even we need to import guys this exhaust. Okay, so here take backticks, and we'll take the url. So already here it is there, I think. Okay, so this only I will copy guys right now. Okay, just come here where it is. Okay, here just paste it here guys. Okay, and so here is my product, and here we need to pass id dynamically. So I'll take here dollar, and here my id will come. Okay, so this is done, and here I have taken a wait, means here my async will come. Okay, so this is async, and here is await. Next what we'll do guys, when my product will get delayed, that time what I will do is, I'll write here one success message. Okay, and here I'll write like product has been deleted, product has been deleted successfully. Okay, so here my product will get deleted. Okay, and here in error what will show guys, if any error is there, so that also we will show in toast. So toast toast dot error. and here will show like error dot message. Okay, so here is my, sorry, we will not take any double quotes here, so it should be like error dot message. Okay, so here already error is there, fine. So here we have taken this error and this. And one more thing is, after delete, what we need to do, we need to get the products, how means what I can say is how much products are available, that we need to take, right? So for that, here I have to call my get product. Okay, so I'm calling here my get product. This I'm taking from page.js, so that we will see, guys. So here you need to see, guys, you need to import the toast, even you need to import the exos also, guys. So shift space enter. So you can see, guys, I have imported exos because I have taken exos, I have taken toast, so I have imported toast also. Okay, so remember that things. Okay, see, guys, here I am taking get product, but I have not passed anything here as a props, right? So that we need to do. So for that, just go in your home page. Okay, then here there is a get products, right? So that only we will pass here. Just come here. Here I'll take like get products. Okay, here my product will come. That is get product. So see, guys, this I'm passing here and I'm taking here in product. So in my product.js, here again I have to take my get product. Okay, as a prop I'm taking here. So product comma get products. Okay, so this is my delete function is done, guys. Now we will test, guys, whether it will work, whether it will delete a product or not. Okay, so I'll go here, just, okay, we'll check now. So I want to delete this last one, so I'll click here. You can see its product has been deleted successfully and my product has, it is deleted, guys. You can see if I want to delete this, you can see, guys, it is deleted, right? So it is deleting, guys, all the things. So we are successfully able to delete. So you can see, guys, when I click directly, it is deleting, right? It is not showing any alert like if you want to delete, confirm, if you want to delete and all, we need to show one alert, right? So that we will do, guys. So for that, what we will use, for that we will use sweet alert. Okay, so just go in Google and type here sweet alert. Okay, sweet alert. What is happening here? Sweet alert. Okay, just click here sweet alert 2. We need to install one terminal for that. Okay, so just go here, guys, below. Okay, you can see, guys, here there is an npm install sweet alert 2. So just copy it. How it will be like, it will be like, I'll show you guys how it will be. So here is my confirm. See, when I click on try me, then it will show this box, right? So for that I'm installing sweet alert. So just come here, come out from this, then we'll install this. So it is installing, guys. Okay, installation is done. So first what we will do, we'll import the sweet alert. So for that, what we need to do, just use import, then sw swal. Okay, so you can see, guys, here it is imported, that is sweet alert 2, right? Now what we will do, guys, see, we need to confirm product, whether you want to delete a product or not, right? So for that, what we will do, guys, here before try, we'll take care for confirmation. Okay, so const result await sval dot fires. Okay, and here my alert function will come, that I'll write now. So for that, guys, you can go here in documents, you can check here, guys, how it will be. So you can see, guys, what should be the title. So this is the title, then this is the test. So I'll copy first title because I want title. So I'll copy this, just come here, paste it here. Okay, here, what are you sure you, are you really you want to delete, are you really want to delete? Okay, are you really want to delete it. Okay, this one is first. Then next guys, what will show the icon warning icon also. So I'm taking this. Okay, then next what is there, we'll take colors also guys, confirm button color and cancel button color, and this confirmation text box also we will use. So just paste it here. Okay, so this is done guys, alert. So here how it will be guys, when it will ask first for confirmation really you want to delete. Okay, so this light the box will come. Then next what will you guys, you can see here there is dot then method, right? Dot then if is there. Okay, so here we have used axios, right? So we can't use that dot then, so instead of that we will use if. So here if result, sorry is if result dot is confirmed, if it is confirmed, then what we will do is we will delete the things. Okay, so this will take in sorry round bracket. Okay, and here my curly bracket will come. So in this we will add this thing. So cut it and paste it here guys. Okay, so if you want to delete really, then it will delete the product. First it will ask for confirmation. Okay, so this is the thing is, now we'll see whether we'll get this confirmation box or not. So I'm coming here, just I want to delete this. Oh, directly it is deleting. Something is missing. Oh, sorry guys, I have not started here, right? Because I have stopped that to install. So npm run dev, then again start. Okay, refreshing. Okay guys, you can see it is done. Now we'll see. So click on, you can see guys, here it is showing me, are you really want to delete it? Yes, delete it. So it is not showing the cancel button, right? So we'll check here whether we have taken cancel button or no. Or you can see guys, show cancel true, we have not taken. You can see guys, here it is not showing cancel button, right? So for that also we will add here cancel button. Okay, show it, it is true now. Now we'll see, click, you can see guys, now it is showing cancel button. Okay, so we can cancel also, and if you want to delete you can delete also. It is deleting, right? So guys, like this you can delete a product easily in react.js using backend as nodejs. Okay, so I hope guys this is my complete CRUD operation guys, where we have created a product, then we have edit the product, we have get the product, then we have deleted the product. So all the CRUD operation we have completed very nicely and very easily guys. So just watch my all the videos guys, and you will learn all the things. You don't no need to go anywhere, you will learn everything here only. So just watch my full video and you will get all the things. Okay, and suppose if you have any question regarding this, then guys you can comment in comment box. Okay, and thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.